Greetings, Taurus. So I'm coming to you with a quick read. So let's get started. Firstly, we're going to start off with your astrological houses. So the first house you received was illness, which is the sixth house. I did clarify the houses using Oracle and Tarot. So I used the Kipper and the Zillich. I will have them link in the description if you are interested. So from the Kipper, you received distant horizon. From the Zillich, you receive Nine of Swords, which talks about cruelty. I did pick up desperation, and then the Ace of Wands. Okay. At the same time, when I was doing you all's reading, a Michael Jackson song had came on while my daughter was listening to music, actually, and it stuck out to me. In the song, he was saying, "She says she didn't have no man," and then we have "Lying to you, lying to me." Okay, so like I always say in my readings, take what resonates, what doesn't apply. Do not make it fit to your life or your situation. Okay. Um, Next you have taxes, which is the eighth house. This was clarified by the house card. The number 20 could be of some significance, and then by the three of pentacles reversed, and then the devil card. Okay, so I feel like whatever's going on here, this is spirit said something about this is being gossiped about. This could be surrounding owing something, where whether it is money, whether it's taxes, whether it is a housing payment, something of that nature. Okay, but something surrounding finances or money. Next, we have the goddess, which is the third house. And this was clarified by change. The number nine could be of some significance. And then the Knight of Cups came out as well, and the Eight of Pentacles. From this, I have picked up gain of material wealth, but also about appreciation. You could also have Virgo placement as well. Um, so yeah, this is what I picked up from this situation. I feel like there will be a change in material gain or material wealth. Okay, and spirit is also saying just remember to remain humble, okay, and appreciative and show gratitude. Okay. Next, we have your healing frequency cards. Okay, so let's get started with your healing frequency cards. So the first card you received was Inner Child Healing Music. So this is great to overcome fear and shame, free yourself from trauma, release old wounds, heal the past, and self-acceptance. Okay, the next one you received was Chakra Healing Meditation. This helps to boost your aura, unblock all your chakras, balancing and healing, attract positive energy, and aura cleanse. Next, you receive sound bowl or bath healing. This helps to purify. It cleanses the mind and the spirit. It also offers stress relief, concentration, and it releases tension. Okay. Next, we have your angels and archangels, Taurus. So, and y'all know I be butchering these names, so bear with me. So, the first angel you received was Angel Sahaya. The dates August 7th through the 12th may be of some significance, and this angel 8 helps to protect your health. Okay. Next, we have Angel Hayua. And the dates July 17th through the 23rd may be of some significance, and this angel grants safety. Next, we have Angel Mabahaya. The dates December 22nd through the 26th could be of some significance. This angel urges good deeds. Okay. So next up, we have just some random words. The first, the words that you received were wealth, hair, texture, sale, and home. Okay. Next we have some rainbow random words, and the word unlikely came out. Instagram came out. Earth came out. The rune that represents movement, progress, and trust came out as well. The numbers 9, 10, 11, or 12 may be of some significance. Family issues came out. Next, you have the rune that talks about communication, understanding, and inspiration. Next, we have flirtatious. Then we have false twin. Next, we have the color orange. Then we have she prefers the same sex. Then we have angel number 777. Okay. And let's just skim and look up 777. So, 777 talks about face fear, trust the divine. Your angels are asking you to release the fear of the unknown, to trust the universe, and give up your control of what's going to happen next. Your angels are telling you to not fear the future, but rather to embrace it with faith. That is all in your best interest. It is perfect in the design brought to you by your most trusted guardian angels. Okay. Next, we have boundaries. Then you receive harmony and balance. You receive narcissist. Then you receive 3 to 5 day cleanse. And next, we have flowers. Okay. And that is everything I have for you, Taurus. I hope you enjoyed this quick reading. If you did, definitely give this video a big thumbs up. And I will talk to you all in your next reading.